Today on Taste Test, we are trying all of the M&M flavors. Joel, how do you feel?
I love M&Ms, so I'm excited.
I am so excited. What is your favorite M&M?
I mean, I think just like the plain one, but maybe that'll change after we try all of them.
I'm actually excited to try different flavors. I feel like I've only really had like standard peanut butter.
Yeah, and the crispy.
Oh, I've never had the crispy.
The crispy's good.
I always loved the peanut M&Ms, and I would bite them in half.
Oh, interesting. I
Bite
don't
the
think I've
peanut
had a
out?
peanut M&M. Actually, the mini ones, the little tiny ones are the best because they're like super cute and they just kind of like crunch in your mouth.
So should we go ahead and start trying them?
I think like red always tastes the best, even though they're all the same. But
I never did any of those things. I know they all taste the same, it's just food coloring.
There's just like the crunch on the outside. A great baseline for what I'm sure is a lovely variety.
Little
Your
baby
favorite.
ones. I'm still like, I'm gonna eat the red every single time.
These actually would be really good on top of ice cream. They're the perfect size for that.
Honestly, if you're eating them just by yourself, they're too small.
Because it's fun.
It's true, it's hard to eat like one at a
one.
time of something so small.
I almost think is maybe more like famous or people are more into than like a normal M&M.
It has like a cultish following.
For
yeah.
sure.
So this is your very first peanut M&M.
Here I go.
Never thought this would be happening.
I don't dislike them, they're just like not my favorite M&M.
Okay, so my technique is bite it in half.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, because like you want to get it so like the peanut goes in half.
Exactly, I wanna
but like that
reveal the
never
peanut.
works. It's an M&M with like a little bit of extra crunch. And the
And
coating,
peanut flavor.
I don't taste it.
So now we are going into our new international series of flavors. So this is one of 3 internationally inspired flavors.
So I have good vibes about this. What do
Well-
you think?
I didn't know this existed. I love toffee so much, so this is very exciting.
So
I'm gonna take
excited.
this back home with me.
I don't really even taste it. Maybe a little bit at the end.
The aftertaste.
I don't mind that.
No.
A little butterscotchy?
I would say more coffee than toffee.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm expecting.
Oh, that's good.
I don't hate it, but I wouldn't eat a ton of them.
It just tastes like a normal M&M.
Okay, she is lying. It tastes like coconut and it is delicious. And if you like coconut, I would eat this because I have actually never tried one that I like this much.
Really?
I actually really like that. This is one of my favorites so far.
Okay. There's nothing there.
Oh my God, there's something there.
Ooh.
I don't like it.
No, I could really taste the jalapeno.
Oh, there it
It's
is.
very jalapeno-y.
I don't think it's horrible.
Are you a coffee nut?
I feel like everything's just no.
I am super excited to see.
Okay, wait. Are these the same thing? These look identical, and I bet they taste the same. I'm on to.
A little more coffee.
Yeah. You don't get the caramel flavor in this one that you got in the toffee, but they're very similar.
I like that.
Yeah, it's good.
Reminds me of coffee ice cream.
This is delicious. I like this.
Yeah.
You're a dark chocolate girl or milk chocolate?
I'm definitely a milk chocolate. Actually, this is an unpopular opinion. I'm a white chocolate girl. I think like if it's dark chocolate and it's still an M&M, it's not gonna taste like dark chocolate.
I feel like there's something about M&Ms that like, they all taste the same right when you're first eating it, and then it kind of hits you a few bites, like a few seconds in. I maybe like these more than the original.
Okay, so it's gonna taste the same, just with a little bit of crunch.
Do you not taste the peanut?
I don't taste the peanut at all.
I do
Darker.
normally like dark better, but
Yeah?
for things like M&M's, Reese's, the milk chocolate tastes better.
Yeah.
I'm getting more peanut. More peanut even than the regular peanut M&M.
Same. I'll say I don't really taste the dark chocolate at all, actually, in that.
I'm
So
very
this one, I'm
familiar.
really hoping I taste the peanut. This over the peanut one. How do you feel?
I
You
like like peanut butter and chocolate, but something about it, it's too soft for me.
I know that the appeal of the peanut M&M is the crunch, but I just like the soft peanut butter inside.
I can eat a whole bag of these.
I remember when these came out, it was one of like the first new flavors that they introduced, and I was really excited about it. I love pretzels and chocolate.
I know I'm gonna hate it.
Why?
I don't like pretzels and chocolate.
I love any sweet, salty combo.
With a crunch, perfect.
Oh, I love it. There's a little salt in there. Let me guess you hate it.
If it's crunchy, I'm not gonna like it.
A+.
Yeah, great work.
Takes a couple bites, but
It does.
it's worth it.
Do we think that these are gonna taste similar to the toffee?
Ooh, it's smooth.
Very chewy, Very, it's just very caramely.
Just expecting
Smooth but
the
chewy at the same time. Yeah, I really like that. It has a good caramel flavor.
I feel like my mouth is getting glued together.
I know, I'll tell you, I was gonna say, it's very sticky.
They taste good, but the texture is a little off.
These are a little bit of work.
They do have the little almond shape.
Very cute.
Better than the peanut, more texture, just a nuttier flavor.
Do you taste this more than the peanut?
Yeah.
I would definitely go back for this before the peanut.
Same. I want them to make all of my favorite flavors in almond instead of peanut.
So is it gonna be like a wafer?
It's kind of like biting into a beignet. It's very airy inside.
Oh, that's really nice.
It's a little better than I remembered. They're smaller. I still don't know what's inside. I like to know what's inside of what I'm eating.
Yeah.
I think it's like puffed rice cereal.
Oh, really?
Oh, I kind of like it.
These are great, a good size too. Like not quite mini, but also a little smaller than
And they're
the
rounder.
normal. Yeah.
After dinner M&M.
Do you normally like mint
really
chocolate?
scared. No, I'm scared.
Very minty.
It reminds me of an after dinner mint, but I don't know that I would want to eat more than one.
If it's not like real mint, it just tastes like toothpaste.
It does taste like toothpaste. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Less toothpastey.
Brushing my teeth again. Yeah, not my thing.
I don't know if it's because I just had this mint, but I get less mint from this.
Yeah, I agree. I think that if you're gonna eat a mint M&M, go for the normal.
How do you feel about that?
I really don't like white chocolate.
Let's see if they're like inside. Oh, they are.
Oh no.
Is this making your
It
dreams
doesn't
come
taste
true?
like chocolate, which is why I like it.
It doesn't taste like chocolate, which is why I don't like it.
I hope I taste the peanut. Okay, I'm not even lying. I actually taste it now.
So do you like that one?
Honestly, the variety was much more vast than I expected. Like I thought they would all kind of be very similar.
What was your favorite?
Oh, Thai coconut.
Really?
For the win. I want to take those with me. Those were so good.
My favorite was definitely the peanut butter.
I think my favorites would be crispy, peanut butter, and like the toffee coffee combo.
I'm gonna go for the coffee over the toffee. Peanut butter I loved. And then the almond will be a forever fave.
I forgot about the almond.
Right?
Where is that?
The almond is, I think, almost kind of forgotten, and I think that it needs to have its day because I think anytime on here where we have peanut, like the peanut white chocolate, peanut dark chocolate, shout out to M&M's, just please swap that with an almond because I think it'd be better.
Well, Rachel, thanks for eating all these M&Ms with me. We want to know what your favorite M&M flavor is, so leave it down in the comments and give this video a thumbs up.